Hey everyone, so today I'm waking up in southern Utah at this really awesome campground. It's called Lower Calf Creek Falls. It was really awesome. If you missed last week's video, I'll definitely check that out. It shows how we found this place. We kind of stumbled upon it and really just lucked out. It was just such a perfect campsite. So that's been pretty awesome. We basically just finished tearing down camp. We're getting ready to head out of here soon. Head into town where we have cell service and kind of come up with a game plan for the rest of the day. I'm with my friend Cody, that's who I keep referring to.
Hey guys.
So we're gonna head into town, figure out a plan. I think we both really want to shower. It's been a long couple of days on the bike, but we're having a blast and looking forward to whatever today brings. I know the scenery is gonna be absolutely phenomenal. What'd you think of that road?
Huh?
What'd you think of that road?
Nice.
Yeah. is a massive flash flood ahead of us that we're not going to be able to make it through. So we're going to have to turn around, backtrack through the storm and try to get out from under the rain and go back the way we came, which is really far out of the way. But we don't really have a choice. It's really, really bad. I've never seen a flash flood like that before, and there's no way we're getting over it. So we're going to turn around and head back. So we decided to do the smart thing and get out of the weather. We got a hotel just behind the flash flood, so we'll save that for tomorrow. Hopefully it dries up by then. The weather's just been crazy. It always is in Utah. You just never know what you're gonna get. We found a really nice little cabin style hotel, motel type thing. It's pretty cool. I'll show you the inside. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. I know this is kind of a short one. That's kind of the nature of adventure, I guess. You never know what you're gonna get. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ride safe.